Mashed potatoes. Ingredients: take about a pound of potatoes and peel them. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or garlic powder. 1/2 cup of low-fat sour cream. A few shakes of kosher salt. 1/4 teaspoon of unsalted butter. Add 1/2 cup of vegetable stock. Now let's start cooking.
Hey Joe, so we're making a really healthy meal. These are our potatoes that we're making.
Boil the potatoes until they're soft. Add the low-fat sour cream. Add just a bit of kosher salt. Add the minced garlic or garlic powder. Add 1/2 cup of vegetable stock to the potatoes. Now you see our final product, the mashed potatoes. All for this time. Thank you for joining Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen, the soup kitchen for the hip hop soul. We've really been cooking up a storm. Created and produced by Kathleen Adams. KathleenJAdams.com, KJAdams.com.